Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from AIB to another bank. So guys, on search for transfer, as you can see here, this is official website, and click this option, how do I transfer money? And you find this option, guys, for mobile banking. Log in onto your account and go to pay and select options you request, and after this is follow this instruction, guys. After download your application, and for entering your banking, log in into your account and click on transfer and follow the instruction on the screen. And you also need to card reader to complete third party. And on the phone banking, guys, call your phone banking service to request with transfer money, and follow these steps, and you will transfer easily, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video.